Hey there, do-it-yourselfers. Got a super quick tip for you if you're working on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. You can swap out the engine cover for a 2004 to 2008 TSX cover. Doesn't do anything other than make it look a little bit better, but it does make a big difference. You got two 10mm bolts here, easily removed. Kind of a plain Jane. It doesn't even have a sticker on here. I don't know. It's just the way it came. Probably has a sticker on some of them, I'm sure. And take that off of there. One hand, a little bit trickier, but you take it off and then put this one on, and boom, looks a lot better, I think. It accurately describes the engine, although it's not quite as high tuned as the TSX is. And again, fits right in, no problem. Doesn't do anything other than look better. Bought this one used off of eBay. Got a good deal, 27 bucks. That's it. Thanks.